Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and on Air Friday we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness, and this week we are air frying chicken nuggets. Alright, this recipe, like many of our Air Friday recipes, comes from TikTok. Comes from the account Doocy Fit, I believe that's how it's pronounced, but who knows. And it's supposed to be a healthier chicken nugget recipe with just 2 ingredients. It's basically chicken with crumpled up chips on the outside. Now the problem was the chips that they wanted in the TikTok were these low calorie healthy chips, and I could not find them for the life of me at any store. So instead of the healthy nacho cheese chips, we're using Doritos Spicy Nacho. So a little bit less healthy version, but if you can find the low calorie Quest chips, you can do that too. So the recipe is really simple. We have ground chicken, just your typical very lean ground chicken, and the TikTok says to just season it. I have here, this is salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of chili powder. So I'm just gonna take it and we're gonna season it up, a little hefty pinch, and just sort of mix it around. I think it needs a little bit more. And there you have it, there's some seasoned chicken. Our next step is really simple. Now make sure you don't touch your kitchen with chickeny hands. That's why you only ever use one. We're gonna take a plate, like so. And we're gonna take this chicken and we're gonna form it into roughly nugget-shaped things. Something like that. You're looking to get about 8 nuggets out of 8 ounces of chicken. So I'm gonna make about 7 more of these, I think. And then we'll get to the breading procedure and we'll get to the air frying. And here we have crumbled up Doritos. Again, you can use whatever chip you prefer, I think, but if you wanna do the low calorie one, if you can find that, go for it. Now this shouldn't be too tricky. The chicken is extremely sticky. So I'm just kind of mixing it around and we've got a nugget looking thing here. See that? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put them straight in the air fryer because why get another plate dirty? So I'm gonna spray down my air fryer basket and drop them right in. And just repeat that process over again. Now if you want to see that again, I've got my Doritos. We're just gonna take it in, drop it, cover it, and then plop it in the air fryer. Really, really simple stuff. That is incredibly easy because the chicken is incredibly sticky. It's a very easy breading procedure. I have 7 nuggets here, all breaded with Doritos. It was really, really simple, really easy stuff. We're gonna throw it into the air fryer, 390 degrees, 10 minutes. We're gonna flip halfway through. Again, simple stuff. This is 2 ingredients and 10 minutes of cook time. So hopefully we get a nice tasty result at the end because it is very simple. So 390 degrees, 10 minutes, and we're off. I flipped them halfway through and here's our result. Got kind of a brown crust. They look nugget-ish and they smell pretty good. So I'm gonna take them out and put them on a plate. We're gonna give them a little rest because they're very hot, and then we're gonna give them a taste. I've got a little honey sriracha dipping sauce here. Literally just honey and sriracha whipped up. It's not bad. Take a look at the inside. It's kind of like if you took a turkey burger and covered it in chips. It's definitely not a nugget in your traditional sense. You're not going to get that like chicken McNugget tempura crunch, but it's not bad. I mean, this is a good, quick, like kind of fake nugget thing if you're in the mood for that. And yeah, if you find the healthier chips, then it's like a really healthy, really lean snack or lunch or whatever. Who doesn't love crispy chicken? Yeah, sometimes with air fryer recipes, they're doing too much. It's kind of a novelty. And while this is a novelty because it's chips on ground chicken, it's really easy. And that's the whole promise of an air fryer, is it's easy and things are gonna cook fast and you'll get something tasty in no time at all. And that delivers here. This is the kind of easy, quick recipe that I think air fryers are really made for. So yeah, give it a try, it's good.